Hello everyone. Today we will study classics NCERT Geography. Asteroid. Apart from the stars, planet and satellite, there are numerous tiny bodies which also move around the sun. These bodies are called asteroids. They are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. You can see this in figure 1.2. Asteroids. Uh, in figure 1.5, asteroid. Meteoroids. Look here. Scientists are of the view that asteroids are part of a planet which exploded many years back. Meteorites, the small pieces of rocks which move around the sun, are called meteorites. Sometimes these meteorites come near the earth and tend to drop upon it. During this process, due to friction with the air, they get heated up and burn. It causes a flash of light. Sometimes a meteor, without being completely burnt, falls on the earth and create a halo. Do you see a whitish board band like a white glowing path across the sky on a clear starry night? It is a cluster of millions of stars. This band is the Milky Way galaxy. Our solar system is a part of this galaxy. In ancient India, it was imagined to be a river of light flowing in the sky. Thus, it was named Akash Ganga. A galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars and clouds of dust and gases. These are millions of such galaxies that make the universe. It is difficult to imagine how big the universe is. Scientists are still trying to find out more and more about it. We are not certain about its size, but we know that all of us, you and I, belong to this universe. Milky Way. Figure 1.6, Milky Way. Can you relate yourself with the universe now? You are on the earth, and the earth is in a part of the solar system. Our solar system is a part of the Milky Way galaxy, which is part of universe. Think about the universe and the fact that it contains millions of such galaxies. How do you fit in the picture? Earth, solar system, Milky Way galaxy, the universe. Exercise. Answer the following questions briefly. How does a planet differ from a star? What is meant by the solar system? Name all the planets according to their distance from the sun. Why is the earth called a unique planet? Why do we see only one side of the moon always? What is the universe? Take the correct answer. The planet known as the Earth's twin, which is the third nearest planet to the Sun. All the planets move around the Sun is in a. The pole star indicates the direction to the north. Asteroids are found between the orbits of. Fill in the blanks. Things to do: prepare a chart of the solar system during a vacation. Visit a planetarium planetarium and describe your experience in the class. Organize a quiz contest on the Earth and solar system for fun. Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. The Sun. Thank you.